So the only thing that really can stand you out in the industry when it's when you have end users that have a book of parts that essentially you're making is really your service. It's success through service. It's on time.
And our drive to make the integrators, the installers' life easy.
We got to do something different. What is that something different? Do we compromise on a standard? Do we try to reinforce that in a different way so that they're still getting the strength and durability, maybe the package flows that they want?
The integrator's there to solve the problem. We help the integrators solve their problems.
There's many ways to solve a problem. You should be able to collaborate and figure out what those best ways are.
I mean, that's ultimately the goal, is for them to have a flawless install, everything to work perfectly. And if we can get that, nailed down, then we're their easy button.
At the end of the day, the customer wants a functioning system that has minimal delays or stalls. And at the end of the day, they want it just to be turnkey. They want to be able to come in, do their job, walk off, and not have to be called back for warranty, for claims.
I'm a sourcing guy, right? And take the price aside, but the first question when I reach out to supplier, I want to make sure that the supplier that's doing my products is a right fit before we even talk about the price.
What type of creativity can we put to something when we use our engineering department to design various things for our customers? Sometimes we'll have customers come to us that say, here's what I need to happen in this specific area. Here's what the dimensions are that you have to utilize. Now, can you go ahead and design me something that's going to work best?
Yeah, engineering is extremely important to the service we provide. A lot of times it can either make or break a project.
Look, anybody can give me the best price for something, okay? Anybody can go fabricate a piece of metal, okay? It's that service and the value package from having single source contact, inside person. I want my account to be managed as a small business.
We are the experts in our industry, and we have to give our customer that experience. To be the experts in this industry, you have to have a little bit of engineering expertise, you have to have production expertise, you have to have a deliverable expertise. Quality is always going to be our number one.
The people that we have, they're always looking to go above and beyond. They want what's best for the customer, and they want what's best for the company, because we believe that it's a win-win relationship. That's the only way partnerships work.
We have enough experience to know exactly what they need, even if they can't spell it out, or it's a little bit different than what they think. We found that at the pace that these things go, the integrators don't always have time to have 100% detailed layouts of exactly what they want. So knowing from past experience, this piece goes here, this piece goes here, what jives well with everything else, we're able to tell them that's really not what you want right here. You want this guy. We can identify those as placeholders and say, here's your real piece.
They still have that family vibe. Man, what else can I want, right?
And that's kind of the attitude we've always brought to the business, is we want a family type atmosphere.
Since we come from that angle, it makes us a little bit different.
Stock is not stock because it's always custom.
You gotta love it